friends. Now today we've got this beautiful Pokemon Lunchbox. Now, I got this from the White House card shop. I'm really excited to open this. They hooked me up with it for free, so thank you to them. So we're going to be reviewing today to see if this thing is worth it or if it's just sort of crap. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah. Okay, so this thing comes with 3 foil cards featuring Hisuian Voltorb, Hisuian Growlithe, and Hisuian Sneasel, 5 Pokemon packs, and much more. So I'm really looking forward. Here is the tin right here. So we're going to be unboxing it right now and seeing what we got. So we've got the code, which I'll give away. We got the 5 packs. So let's see. We got, I believe, a Silver Tempest and an Astral Radiance. 2 Silver Tempests and 2 Astral Radiances. Alright, I'm really looking forward to this. Let's just see what we got here. We've just got like a flip book thing. Got, a notebook you can just write in. And, nice, we got a little binder. I'm really looking forward to getting into this, so let's do it. Alright, so I kind of mixed the packs so we got some variety. Let's open up the first pack, which is an Astral Radiance Hisuian Typhlosion pack art. So, we're going to crack into this. And white border, so that means we're probably not going to get anything. But let's guess a Leaf Energy. Psychic. Okay, whatever. Psychic, Roxanne, Togetic, Gusty Pickaxe, Cricketot, Psyduck, Petalil, Stantler. Ooh, I kind of like that Stantler. Bergmite, Shaman Reverse. That's a rare reverse. I'll take that. And a Hisuian Avalugg. Look at that thing. That's a chunky dude. Alright, let's move on to Silver Tempest. Alright, it is Silver Tempest time. This is a beautiful pack. Haven't opened Silver Tempest for a while. We haven't opened it since that Paldea Friends mini tin opening, which was a couple weeks ago. Alright, let's see. We've got a, nice, we got a black code. That means we could get something juicy. Okay, let's guess a Leaf Energy again. Fighting. Okay, I knew I should have guessed it again. Got a Morpeko, Capturing Aroma, Slurpuff, Vulpix, Drowsy, Growlithe, Mischievous, Whelmer, Candace Reverse, and we've got a Skuntank V. I have traded for one of these before. I think I gave it away. So to pull one, hey, I'll take it. That's a beautiful card. All right, let's put that in the recap pile. Let's move this thing. And, oh, shoot. What the heck is... Okay, whatever. I'll just make it like a pile like that. I mean, a V that I've already had before, I mean, I'll take it, but getting a V you've already had before is kind of like deja vu. It's not like a new hit. So, oh, shoot. We got, regular energy again. We got something. All right, let's guess a lightning energy. Metal, okay. Metal, super effective glasses, Bronzong, Duat, Hippopotamus, Cyndaquil, Poniard, Hisuian Growlithe, Voltorb, Togepi, and a Vespiquen. Hey, I mean, that's a cool card. Alright, let's see if we can continue this, Silver Tempest hit trend. So, let's go. Just let's go. Okay, so we have got, oh man, I'm not liking this tin so far, to be quite honest. Alright, let's guess a metal. Psychic. Ninetales, Leafy Camo Poncho, Slurpuff, Spinda, Feebas, Noibet, Snorunt, Sandile, Regenerative Energy, and a Incinerator. Alright, guys, it comes down to, oh my gosh, guys, I am absolutely terrified right now. It all comes down to Fusion Strike. Alright, Fusion Strike, you better give us something good, or else I'm going to be going out of this opening a sad man. Alright, Fusion Strike, let's see what you've got. I have not heard good things about these tins. So that's why I'm doing these reviews. And, ooh, nice. So it's flipping that thing around for us. So we won't have to see what we got. All right, let's guess a fire energy. Psychic, okay. We got a Psychic, Heliolisk, Sharpedo, Quick Ball, Quillfish, Smeargle, Morpeko, Phalanx, Growlithe, Onyx Reverse, and a Swampert Hollow. Time to recap. Okay, guys, so as you can expect, I'm not too happy about that, but okay, so we got a Swampert Hollow, which I'll put the price right down there, and the Skuntank V, which I'll put the price right down there. I mean, I shouldn't be complaining right now, because I did get a V, and that's a really cool V, but I've already got this before, and I don't even know if I've traded it, so it's kind of, like, already in my collection, but, So what you guys have all been waiting for is, would I recommend this? So, okay, this is what I think. So if your child is just starting to collect Pokemon, this would be a great option because you're not really recommended any great hits, but you're also not recommended, like, nothing. But for a pretty long-time collector like me, I just wouldn't recommend it. The tin, if you want a cool lunchbox, then these are a really cool option, but, I don't think I'd recommend this, but it's just a really cool thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me get the cards ready, and I will see you on the next one.